Hey everyone, this is Jessie here, and I just purchased Matt's Mastery and Monetization course. So basically, his course teaches you how to grow a YouTube channel, and I specifically enjoyed his content because I actually want to get into this, but I don't like showing my face. So with that being said, I thought I would give a quick review of the course and kind of share my thoughts about everything. So let's just go inside here. So yeah, I actually purchased it this morning, and I'm one of those people that I have to watch the entire thing before I start anything. So I completely binge watched the entire thing today. As you can see, all these check marks here shows that I've completed it. So just go over what he teaches here. He has a little introduction, and he teaches you how to choose a niche. And what I really enjoyed about this is that he even teaches you how to do the market research and gives you a list of profitable YouTube niches. And then right here, he teaches you how to set your channel up for success. And this one I really enjoyed, planning your content strategy. So I think what I really loved about Matt's course is that all of his videos are about 10 minutes long, but you can tell he's very organized and his thoughts are very organized, which I absolutely love, and he gets straight to the point. So I really, really enjoyed all of his videos, and that's why I was able to go through all of it today. And then here he teaches you how to make and upload videos. This was awesome because you don't have to download like any crazy software, and everything he teaches you, it's actually seems like, the more I think about it, it's actually really easy, but there's still a lot of like parts to it, and so that's why he has all these videos here, and yeah, he just really teaches you everything and gets to the point, which I absolutely love. What else? This section was really cool. It teaches you how to grow your YouTube channel. I enjoyed this video very much. It teaches you how to go viral. And then right here, this section teaches you different ways you can monetize your YouTube channel, for example, with affiliate marketing. And then he teaches you how to scale. I really, really enjoyed this part because I think once I understand all this, I can't wait to outsource everything. So he teaches you in that section, and then he has a little bonus video. So overall, I absolutely loved his course. I have purchased a few online courses in the past, and a lot of them were really crappy. I mean, the most I'll ever pay, or the most I have paid for, was around like $800, and I didn't even get my money back. But when I went through the course, it was like all the stuff I already found on YouTube. So, so with Matt's course, I'm one of those people, like, I have to talk to other people who have taken it. So I'll like message them on Facebook, and the way I find them is if they comment on his videos and said that they have purchased a course, and then I'll look them up or message them directly. And everyone I've spoke to has nothing bad to say about the course, and so I trusted them and purchased the course today. Absolutely loved it. I don't even know how old Matt is. He's clearly like a young kid, but very, very smart. And yeah, I just love the fact that he gets to the point. The videos are short and they're just very clear. Everything makes so much sense to me now. Yeah, so if you're gonna look for courses on how to grow a YouTube channel, this is absolutely worth it. Oh, another thing I like is that there is a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you didn't enjoy it at all, you get your money